In this video, I am going to show you how you can download IGI on your PC or laptop. So the process is actually pretty easy. All you need to do is just to follow the steps and you would be able to download it. So the very first thing that you need to do is just simply go to the website called www.gog.com and then click on the first link. Once you're on this website, you just simply need to come over here and click on this search icon. Just type IGI, press enter, and once you press enter you will see that it will start loading different games with the name IGI. And as you can see that here is the IGI game, so just simply click on this. And as you can see that here is IGI 2 game, which is Covert strike, and if you want to buy it, but before that you just simply need to create an account on this website, and this is completely legal. Buy from this website. Once you are here, just simply choose the payment method. Let's say you want to go with PayPal, and then pay the amount of $9.99 and you would be able to download it. So once you have the download file, just simply click on it and install it on your PC and laptop, and then you would be able to play it on your laptop or PC. So that was the whole process. I hope you liked the video, and if so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.